By integrating FortiSIEM and Armis, the combined solution creates a more comprehensive and automated security ecosystem. Armis supplies the essential deep asset intelligence and context, which FortiSIEM then leverages to deliver a unified CMDB, enhanced threat correlation, analytics, and FortiSIEM automation capabilities. Since I am already logged into FortiSIEM, I will now demonstrate the real-time integration with Armis. First, navigate to the Admin tab, then Setup and Credentials. Here you can see I have pre-configured the necessary REST API key to establish the connection with Armis. It's a straightforward setup. Next, let's go to the Discovery page. I have already run the special Armis scan that pulled all the assets directly into FortiSIEM. The history log will then show you the results of all the devices successfully discovered from Armis. Now, let's look at the Pull Events tab. This page confirms the integration status. The green checkmark indicates the connection is successful. By clicking the Report tab, we can pull all the events from last 24 hours. As you can see, this displays the various event types generated by the Armis integration. Let's move to the CMDB to see the value of this integration by using the magnifier to filter the method by Armis REST API. We can confirm that FortiSIEM not only synchronizes the asset data, but automatically identifies and classifies the discovered devices. This is crucial because it immediately categorizes assets like OT or IoT, ensuring every device is accounted for in the CMDB. Moving to the incident section and filtering by the Armis incident name. While Armis provided the initial alerts, the source IP 192.168.86.67 communicating to the external host, the next alert communicating to suspicious host from the same IP, and the Chinese DNS query from 192.168.86.67. FortiSIEM's correlation engine takes this input. It performs the crucial step of linking the individual alerts into a coherent sequence, thereby detecting the full attack chain and creating an actionable, contextualized security incident. Using the FortiSIEM Investigation tab allows us to immediately broaden our understanding of the threat beyond the initial alert. This crucial step relates the current incident to others. The IP address 192.168.86.67, which triggered the initial Armis alert, belongs to the printer identified during the visual investigation, showing that the device at 192.168.86.67 also attempted an Active Directory logon and was communicating with a malicious FortiGuard flagged IP address located in China. This demonstrates how FortiSIEM correlates events to enable deeper investigation and provides complete visibility for visualizing the threat actor's entire campaign. Also, these threats can be addressed using FortiSIEM automation playbooks. The FortiSIEM OT/IoT dashboard includes a dedicated section for Armis, providing a real-time view of alerts, host-triggered events, device details, associated CVEs, and alert policies. Thanks for watching.